Hi Siddanth,
Hi, sir.
I'll ask you a few questions.
Okay, sir.
Be honest to answer them. Okay? What's something you can do now with Python that you couldn't do before?
I can do apps, websites, games which I have not done before coming for Python classes. So I am interested here to do websites, new apps and few websites, games to create. I am interested to create some apps, websites. So I like creating some new things.
That was fantastic answer, Siddanth. My next question to you is, which project was your favorite?
My project, my favorite project was Hypnotic Pilot
And why did you like that?
because it is running circle.
Can you show me that?
Yes, sir. Here. It's moving around as a nanobot. It's moving and it is making hypnotizing rounds.
And
That is
this
my favorite.
and in which class you learned this? Is it the first class, second class,
For the class.
fourth? And you like this a lot.
Sir.
That's fantastic. Thank
These
you.
designs and all. These shades and these shades I love.
Very nice. My third question to you is, did Pythonians help with school, like math, logic or science?
Sir, it helps like multiplication and addition for children and algebra, and algorithm. It helps us to calculate easily.
Thank you. Do you like to go to second level?
Yes, sir.
Excited?
Sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.